In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to register a MoneyGram account. We'll walk through the process step by step so you can create your account confidently, whether you're using the MoneyGram mobile app or the official website. Make sure you have a stable internet connection and your personal details handy, as the information you enter should match your identification documents. Start by accessing MoneyGram on your phone. Download the official MoneyGram app from Google Play or the App Store. If you're on a computer, open your browser and go to the official MoneyGram website. Always check that you're using the legitimate app or site to protect your information. Once you're there, look for the register button, typically located at the top right corner of the homepage. If you see options for both sign in and register, choose register to create a new account. Next, enter your account credentials. Type in your email address, create a strong password, and confirm the password exactly as you typed it the first time. Follow any on-screen password requirements, such as minimum length or character types. Using a unique password and, if possible, a password manager is a smart security move. Add your mobile number based on your country. Select the correct country code and enter your active phone number without extra spaces or symbols. This number should match your actual location, as MoneyGram may use it for security alerts and verification codes. You'll see optional preferences for notifications or promotions. Choose whether you want to receive updates. If you prefer fewer messages, you can uncheck this and change it later in settings. Now provide your personal information, enter your legal first name and last name, and include a middle name only if it appears on your identification. Make sure everything matches exactly to avoid issues during future verification. Enter your date of birth, including the month, day, and year. Double check for accuracy and the correct format shown on the screen. Add your address details, provide your street address, state or province, and zip or postal code. Use your current residential address and be consistent with how it appears on your ID or billing statements. Before submitting, review all the information carefully. Look for typos, check your email and phone number, and ensure names and addresses match your documents. When everything looks correct, submit the form to complete registration. You may be prompted to verify your email or phone, so follow any on-screen instructions. Your MoneyGram account is now successfully registered, and you can start using it for sending and receiving money. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more MoneyGram tips and tutorials.